Hello people, in this video we want to look at Millennium Development Goals, which now we have what? Now we have Sustainable Development Goals. Earlier there was Millennium Development Goals. See, there's a whole chapter called as Millennium Development Goals to Sustainable Development Goals. This is from the United Nations, guys. So basically what is goal? Goal is the ultimate desire that you have, right? So you will have some objectives and then some targets that you have to achieve. Finally, you can achieve the goal. Goal will have all or none phenomena. Either you make it or you don't make it, right? So earlier there was Millennium Development Goals. This was 2000 to 2015. So there were just 8 goals. Look at this. So in 15 years, they had to achieve these 8 goals. What is this? Eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Guys, focus here. Where are we? Here. They want to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Look at this pencil. Achieve universal primary education. Gender equality, empower women, reduce child mortality, baby here. Then improve maternal health, combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases, ensure environmental sustainability, global partnership for development. So these are development goals, remember. So guys, now what we have is sustainable development goals. But in the exam, they can still ask you Millennium Development Goals. So can you list the 8 Millennium Development Goals, guys? Come on, try. Which are the 8 Millennium Development Goals? Draw one box like this and you try to recollect. So I remember one baby here. So something to do with child. Here was some gender equality. Then first of all, it was poverty, reduce poverty, right? What else do you remember, guys? One pencil here. So universal primary education. Maternal health is here, HIV. One plant here, environment. And this is global partnership. Now let's try to recollect again. Come on. Millennium Development Goals. Say. First one. Poverty. Yes. Very good. Poverty. Let's draw this. Poverty. That bowl, especially that bowl with food. Then here I still remember that baby. Child mortality. Here one pencil. Primary education. Here was that gender equality. Here one pregnant female was there. And HIV AIDS was there here. What was the photo? HIV AIDS. Then here you had the flower, environment. And here you had a lot of people saying everybody has to coordinate to achieve these goals. Very good. So, so let's go back here. So did we miss anything? Okay, this was a medicine box. Okay. So guys, did you get the Millennium Development Goals? 8 of them. In that 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, except 2 and 3. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The textbook this says that these are related to health. Okay. So primary education they removed and gender equality they removed for some reason. So eradicate hunger, poverty, mortality, child mortality, improve maternal health, combat HIV AIDS, ensure environmental sustainability, global partnership for development. So the textbook says that 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all these are related to health. Okay. So look at this. So 1, eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. So they want to halve the number who suffer from hunger. Okay. So underweight children, malnourishment, etc. they're looking at. So this is what they have achieved, guys. If somebody asks you what they achieved, you'll have to tell all this. This is one table. Look at this, especially health related, right? So this is about extreme poverty and hunger. They halved it, looks like. This was the target. So whatever they have achieved, they put here reduce child mortality. So this is the next one. So under 5 mortality and infant mortality, everything they're talking about. Okay, the target was to reduce by 2/3. Okay. Under 5 mortality, infant mortality. Then we're not going into the details. We're not going into the details. Okay, then maternal health was 5, right? So maternal health, what they wanted to do? Maternal mortality ratio they wanted to reduce. Wow, it was 420, 167. Now it is what in India? 113, right? In India. Contraceptive, etc., etc. Family planning, everything they did. Then what else? Coming to goal 6. Goal 6, where was that box? 5 was here, 6 is here. So it was HIV, AIDS and all that, right? So they want to combat HIV, AIDS, malaria also. Guys, even malaria is included here, not just HIV, AIDS, okay? Malaria and other diseases. So they want to have condom use, then malaria death rate, etc. Okay? Then they had some indicators for all this. How will you know you have achieved? What is the target and what is the indicator? So, tuberculosis death, tuberculosis prevention, even tuberculosis they included here. So, HIV, malaria, tuberculosis, HMT. All this they have included. Okay. They have some smear positive pulmonary tuberculosis detection rate, everything. You can write that if you want. Then coming to 7, what was 7, guys? It was the environment sustainability. So let's use a green here. Nice green. 7, environmental sustainability. 7 is a number for what, guys? Environmental sustainability. Very good. Okay. So they will check here even on population. Population you should have reduced, etc. Right? Improvement in slum dwellers lives. Okay, all that they have written here. Guys, focus. Is it very sleepy? Yeah, I know. Oh, we didn't put any interesting photo here. So please focus. Last one is 8. 8 is what, guys? Global partnership for develop. All these pharmaceutical companies, etc. They should come together. They should provide essential drugs in all countries, etc. Okay. So that was about Millennium Development Goals, health related. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, did they achieve anything? So to eliminate poverty and hunger, yes, they are saying that they have achieved, this undernutrition indicator target has almost been met, they are saying. Undernutrition indicator target has almost been met. Okay, it has fallen. Undernourishment has fallen. Next. Yes, you understand you understand that this MDGs, Millennium Development Goals, are over, and now what we have is Sustainable Development Goals. But we are still looking if Millennium Development Goals achieved what they wanted to achieve, right? So, the next thing they're talking about, see, first thing was the poverty thing, right? So that was MDG 1, poverty and hunger, MDG 1. Then what you got? Maternal and all that. That will be MDG, infant mortality and maternal mortality, right? So what they're saying is 4 and 5, they did not achieve the target. Look at this. They did not achieve the target. Though there was substantial decrease in maternal and child mortality, they did not achieve these targets. Okay. So they're explaining some things here. So they did not achieve the target for this. So developing countries still face a lot of challenges, they're saying. Okay. And what is this? They're saying here MDG 5. 5 is what? The same thing, maternal mortality, right? So now they added to this MDG 5 some universal access to reproductive health. Okay, and they added some 4 indicators: adolescent birth rate, antenatal care visits, contraceptives, unmet need for family planning. So adolescent birth rate has reduced. They are saying that adolescent birth rate has reduced. That's good, right? So then they have skilled birth attendants, etc. So did you understand? We are still looking at the MDG 5. Did you already forget what MDG 5 is? This one, improve maternal health. So we are looking at this one. So what did they say? Poverty wise, they achieved nicely. Child mortality and maternal mortality as such, they were not able to reduce. They reduced, but they were not able to achieve their target. And improve maternal health, that's what we are looking at. Some universal access, adolescent birth rate, they added a lot of indicators. Now they've made people get skilled birth attendants, etc. Now look at this. The number of death of children under 5 declined. Guys, measles vaccination helped, they're saying. Okay. And what were the other causes that caused this children death? Prematurity, birth-related complications, neonatal sepsis for newborn mortality. And then for postnatal period, they're saying pneumonia, diarrhea, injuries, malaria, all these will cause the death. So they're trying to justify why they didn't achieve the target or something. So all these cause the death. Okay. Then goal 6 is what, guys? This one. Goal 6, combat HIV, AIDS, malaria, tuberculosis, cholera, all those diseases. So let's look at that. What happened now for these people? Goal 6. New HIV infections reduced, malaria deaths also averted, global malaria incidence rate fell, TB case detection increased. Okay, but what happened during this time? There was a SARS epidemic and H1N1, that is influenza, right? Swine flu. What is H1N? H1N1 is this flu, right? Swine flu. Why they didn't put one? No, it got missed by us. H1N1 is there. Okay, swine flu. Okay. So they had to bear this new things. Cholera is endemic in many countries. They had this Ebola virus outbreak also. So a lot of new things came. Okay. Then that was 6, guys. Next is what? 7. What is 7, guys? Ensure environmental sustainability. So you talk about water, safe drinking water they gave. People still practicing open defecation, etc. But now the sanitation is improving. Improved sanitation is increasing. Access to improved sanitation is increasing. Now it is increasing. Okay. Okay, guys, don't sleep off. So finally, what was the eighth one? It was that a global partnership for development that they have not told much, but what they're saying is generally it is agreed that this Millennium Development Goals have been a success. Okay, but whatever they didn't achieve, they want to achieve via the Sustainable Development Goals. The unfinished agenda is reflected in Sustainable Development Goals. So Sustainable Development Goals is from 2016 to 2030. Again, 15 years. There are 17 goals this time. And they want to achieve everything by 2030. They have 169 targets, 232 indicators, 170 countries. And this is some 2030 agenda. They're saying to end poverty, to protect the planet, to have everybody should have peace and prosperity. Why do I see only peace here? Poverty, protect planet, peace, prosperity. Okay. So this is Sustainable Development Goals. It has 17 goals. Okay. So a lot of things are related to health. Let us look at this also. But these are the 17 goals, guys. Sustainable Development Goals. Just look at this if you have time. No poverty, same thing. Zero hunger. So poverty, hunger, they split into two. Okay, good health and well-being. So this is good health and well-being is all that infant, child, maternal mortality and all. Education, yeah, that pencil has become that. In gender equality, they put an equal to sign here. But here also there is one reduced inequality. See, there are two here. Gender equality they have put here. Reduced inequalities. Okay. Two things about inequalities. Then clean water and sanitation. That environment thing again they have split it. Clean water, sanitation. Then what else? Life below water, life on land. All this is environment. Climate action. Clean energy. What do you think, guys? Then last one is the same thing. See this one? Partnership for the goals. Focus, guys. This one, partnership for the goals. This is that same thing. Last time, whatever was 8. What was that? Global partnership for development. Same thing. Wow. Okay. Something at least we understood. Some new things. What can you see here? This one looks new to me. Peace, justice. Okay. Responsible consumption and production. Sustainable cities and communities. Still, you can put in environment, right? Industry, innovation, infrastructure. See this industry thing, consumption, production. Then, wait. Affordable and clean energy. Again, environment. Economic growth. See, there's a lot of money factor here. Poverty, yes. Economic growth. Industry. Cities, communities. Then, wait. This one. Consumption, production. What do you think, guys? Okay. So did you get it, guys? So Sustainable Development Goals we have to look at. We will look at Sustainable Development Goals in the next video. Okay. They want to reduce maternal mortality rate. They want to reduce global deaths and injuries from road traffic accidents. Neonatal mortality rate. Under 5 mortality rate they want to reduce. They want to end AIDS, TB, malaria, neglected tropical disease. Same thing, right? Hepatitis, waterborne disease, other communicable disease, reduce the mortality from non-communicable disease, strengthen the prevention and treatment of substance abuse, some sexual and reproductive healthcare services, universal healthcare coverage, then reduce the number of deaths because of hazardous chemical, air, water, soil pollution. So same environment thing. So these are some things about Sustainable Development Goals, guys. Goal 3 in Sustainable Development Goals is directly related to health. Good health and well-being. Good health and well-being. This is the one we have put a smiley. You can see here. So that is the one that is mentioning health. Good health and well-being. Which else can you connect to health? Here. Health. Anything else you can connect directly to health? Clean water, sanitation maybe. Okay. So that's it, guys. Let's take a recap. In this video, we wanted to look at Millennium Development Goals. Now, what we have is Sustainable Development Goals. Earlier, Millennium Development Goals were there. So basically, this was a goal is something like an ultimate desired state. Okay, so you have some objectives and targets, and finally you'll achieve the goal. You either make it or you don't make it. So it has an all or none phenomena. So earlier we had Millennium Development Goals for 15 years. That is from 2000 to 2015. Okay, so it had only 8 goals. The goals were eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Okay, this one. Then universal primary education. This one. Gender equality. reduce child mortality, improve maternal health, combat HIV, AIDS, malaria, tuberculosis, cholera, etc. Ensure environmental sustainability, global partnership for development. 8 were there. Then most of these, they have, whatever we have ticked here are related to health according to the textbook. So they have given some goal and what were the targets. See here, they have written the target for poverty, some underweight children, population in etc. Then child mortality, under 5 mortality, infant mortality, what were the targets they have written here. Improve maternal health, maternal mortality ratio, right, birth attendance, contraceptive prevalence, all these were the targets. Adolescent birth rate, antenatal coverage, unmet need for family planning. These were some indicators that they added later, they told you, right? Then that was goal 5. Then coming to goal 6, that is to combat HIV, AIDS. Guys, focus. So condom use, some malaria death rate, etc. So they have put some targets that they wanted to achieve. Some indicators that were there were tuberculosis death, tuberculosis prevalence, fever being treated with anti-malaria drugs, etc., etc. Look at these dots and all that. Then coming to 7 was what? Environment. So they had targets on safe drinking water, population, water source, slum dwellers, etc. Then coming to 8, that is global partnership for development. They had some targets like pharmaceutical companies, essential drugs in developing countries, etc. So did they achieve what they wanted to achieve in Millennium Development Goals? Overall, they are saying it was a success, but some of the targets they did not meet, okay? Like when it comes to nutrition and that food and all that, they were able to achieve the target, okay? Under nutrition indicator target was met, almost. But when it came to this 4 and 5, that is infant mortality rate, maternal mortality rate, though it reduced, they did not meet their target, okay? So developing countries still have a lot of problem. Deaths are happening because of hemorrhage, hypertensive disorder, sepsis, abortion, etc. And what did they say here? They added one thing to this Millennium Development Goal 5, MDG 5, universal access to reproductive health, and they added some 4 specific indicators: adolescent birth rate, antenatal care visits, contraceptive prevalence rate, unmet need for family planning, and they reduced the adolescent birth rate, and they were giving skilled birth attendance. Okay, focus guys, we're revising. Then they say that lot of under 5 mortality reduced, measles vaccination helped a lot. Major causes in neonatal mortality were prematurity, birth-related complications, and neonatal sepsis. When it came to post-neonatal period, it was pneumonia, diarrhea, injuries, and malaria which was killing children. Then coming to goal 6, combat HIV, malaria, etc. So they reduced the HIV infections, new infections, malaria deaths were averted, global malaria incidence fell, TB case detection increased. But these people at this 15-year period, they had to combat the SARS epidemic, respiratory infectious disease, right? That is severe acute respiratory syndrome, and H1N1 swine flu they had to combat. They had to combat Ebola disease. They had, and cholera also was there. Cholera was endemic in many countries. Coming to the environment, water, safe drinking water they wanted to give, and people still practice open defecation, but now it is improving, they said. Then finally what they said is MDGs have generally been successful. Whatever unfinished agenda is there, they want to target it in the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Now, when it comes to SDGs, there are 17 goals from 2016 to 2030, 15 years. So there are 170 countries, 17 goals. So these are the goals. Which one? Yeah, these are the 17 goals, guys. No poverty, hunger, no hunger, zero hunger, good health and well-being. This is the one that is related directly to health. Then education, gender equality, clean water, sanitation, guys. Remember these photos, you'll be able to place them right, okay? Then coming to affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation, infrastructure, reduced inequality. Say, gender equality, reduced inequality. 2 things they have here. Sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production. Then what do you have? Climate action, life below water, life on land. So remember fish and tree, justice, peace, strong institutions, partnership for goals. This is the same thing as the global partnership for development. Remember, guys, and one more thing you focus here. This fish, tree, bird, if you want to remember, okay? Then goal 3 is directly related to health, good health and well-being. So look at that. They want to reduce what and all? MMR, neonatal mortality rate, under 5 mortality rate. They want to end epidemics like of AIDS, TB, malaria, hepatitis, waterborne diseases. Then substance abuse they want to stop. Then substance abuse they want to stop. Then they want to give sexual and reproductive health care services, universal healthcare coverage. You want to reduce the number of deaths because of all this pollution. Okay. So that's it, guys. So they want to reduce global deaths and injuries from road traffic accident also by 2020. So they must have achieved all this by now. But I'm sure in Bangalore they put hump and they won't paint it, and a lot of people will die because they don't see the hump. Okay. So I don't think they have achieved that. What do you feel, guys? Do you think they achieved this target by 2020? Global deaths and injuries from RTA. Okay. In this video, we wanted to look at Millennium Development Goals, and mainly we looked at Millennium Development Goals. Okay. That's it for now. Bye-bye. Guys, just look at this one thing. If you can see here, it's written here, MDG, Unfinished and Expanded Agenda. Unfinished and Expanded Agenda. Here they have new SDG 3 targets. That is Sustainable Development Goal 3, the new targets. And SDG 3 means of implementation of these targets. So what this MDG did not achieve, like reduced maternal mortality, preventable newborn and child deaths, epidemic, AIDS, TB, malaria, hepatitis, waterborne, etc. Access to sexual and reproductive healthcare services. This much they did not achieve, or expandable services. So what these people did, SDG 3, they want to reduce the mortality from non-communicable diseases, promote mental health, okay, prevent substance abuse, then road traffic accidents. They want to reduce hazardous chemical air. All this we already told you, because of pollution. Then targets. What are the targets? This is new target, means of implementation targets. What is this? Framework Convention on Tobacco Control, access to medicine, health financing, capacity for early warning, risk reduction, management of health risks. So complicated or so simply irritating. Simple but irritating, yeah. Promote physical and mental health. Yeah, this is what they want to do. They want to reduce all this neonatal child maternal mortality. Then fight malaria, HIV, AIDS, tuberculosis, hepatitis, Ebola, communicable diseases, etc. So some agenda, 2030 agenda, paragraph 26 of the 2030 agenda. How many paragraphs are there in this one? The health one they have put here. Okay, great. Because, you know, just one part of it is health out of the 17, right? In the Sustainable Development Goals. So here they are talking about the impact, coverage, risk factors for what? Reproductive, maternal, newborn health. Then what is this? For HIV, tuberculosis, malaria incidence, impact, coverage. Then what is this? In the epidemic, then this is NCD, non-communicable disease, impact, coverage, risk, determinants, etc. So a lot of information there about Sustainable Development Goals. Please look at that also, okay, in detail. Bye-bye.